To add new user into the Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all you have to go to the settings, then you will have to scroll and go to the system. Right now we have to go for multiple users and we have to click here to share the phone, and now we get two options. We can create a new user account or we can add guest. So we can decide. If you want to add a user, you'll have to click next. You can input the photo by clicking here from the gallery, from the default and from the gallery also, or you can take the photo right now. You can for sure set the name, and then it's actually creating the new user. So if you want to switch to the new user, you'll have to click here and then stop setup now. And also you can turn on the phone calls and short messages. So the call and the messages history will be shared with this user, and you can also delete by clicking here. And if you want to switch to the guest mode, just click here and you can tap in this place. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.